This is the wonderful Stihl chain sharpening tool. It will cut our cutting tooth, and it will also lower our rake to the right height. It rests on top of there, and there is directions on how to use it. That's the saw position, and that is the direction you push. It must be perpendicular to the chain, and then your stroke. So the trick is to keep the tool straight with the lines and perpendicular to the bar. Not like this, not like that, not like this, not like that. 3 even strokes is all you need. What makes it easy is to mount your chainsaw in the vise with a block of wood underneath, and have some help on hand.
Better show me your helper again.
You got to use the old fishing club helper. Sorry, it's not Pilsner today.